Really, bitch? You couldn't walk like diagonal.
At your PDR, you make it possible to celebrate God's goodness.
The station gave me faith. At the time, I was going through 2 medical diagnoses, and the doctors told me, you're progressive, you'll only get worse. I had no faith about being healed, but 2 weeks in the Philippines, I saw that I was loving the sun, and I actually gained the faith to believe that God could heal me. And a few months in, I was healed completely, and everything that the doctors said wasn't curable.
Thanks for being part of the PDR support team at 877-563-4737 or online at yourpdr.com.
Celebration.
We got some
Celebration.
Teresa and Shenandoah, thank you for that gift of $100.
Driving with headphones on. That's illegal, motherfucker.
We needed $460. James has never given before. Been listening for a while. Just wanted to give $460. Carol and Stafford giving a gift of $130. Michelle.
November 10th. My life is pretty plain. He's gonna go. Told ya. Niggers.
For a limited time at VisionWorks, you can get 2 complete pairs of glasses, frames, lenses, the works, for just $49 on single vision glasses and $89 on progressives. And that's a good deal. But we offer that pricing on over 500 frames, which makes it a great deal. A great deal better than the other guys.